Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on the charging animation on your Samsung device. First, unlock your device and open the Settings app. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, look for Visibility Enhancements and select it. Now, find the option for Remove Animations. Toggle the setting off to enable the charging animation. Once you've made this change, you can exit the settings. And that's it! You've successfully turned on the charging animation on your Samsung device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!